Have you ever seen a bird rubbing ants all over itself or rolling in an anthill? It looks bizarre, almost like a tiny feathered spa treatment. But why would a bird willingly cover itself in insects that could bite? I'll explain everything. But first, if you think this little bird is cute, like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, that means you hate birds. Comment a heart if you love animals. Look, this odd behavior is called anting, and birds do it to take advantage of the chemicals ants release, especially formic acid. This helps repel parasites, soothe their skin, and may even prepare their feathers for molting.